Introducing the exhilarating 2023 Cadillac Lyriq, a marvel of automotive innovation that pushes the boundaries of luxury electric vehicles. This cutting-edge masterpiece boasts an elegant and aerodynamic design, with sleek lines and an unmistakable Cadillac presence. Equipped with an advanced electric powertrain, the Lyriq offers a mind-boggling range of over 300 miles on a single charge, ensuring effortless long-distance journeys with zero emissions. Step inside its opulent cabin where you'll be enveloped in a world of modern luxury. The Lyriq showcases a state-of-the-art augmented reality head-up display, seamlessly integrating vital information onto the windshield, making navigation and driving a seamless experience. Immerse yourself in an unrivaled auditory adventure with the Lyriq's exceptional AKG Studio 19-speaker sound system, which delivers concert-quality sound throughout the cabin. The future of charging is here as the Lyriq offers both wired and wireless charging options, allowing you to power up in the most convenient way possible. With Cadillac's Super Cruise technology, the Lyriq introduces true hands-free driving capabilities on compatible highways, providing an unparalleled level of safety and convenience. Experience pure automotive excellence with the all-new 2023 Cadillac Lyriq, where luxury, performance, and sustainability unite to redefine the electric driving experience.